Okay guys, we are going to do the $1 million chicken bake that is pretty much a hit in this house. I'm going to mix together some softened cream cheese, and it's easier to mix when it's soft.
Can you help opening it?
I got it.
They have a line you could tear along, don't you?
Probably.
Oh, you did it now. After cutting.
I'm going to do 8 ounces of cream cheese because we like cream cheese. And then I need, so for this recipe we're using the cream cheese, Jack cheddar cheese mix, some mayonnaise, green onions, the chicken ready for everything else, and some bacon bits. So I'm just going to combine, and I don't do a lot of measuring, though I should. Oh, that sounded bad. That sounded bad. Sorry guys.
Is that all you needed?
That's all I'm using.
Okay.
And I'll use half a cup of bacon bits and half a cup of green onion. So I'm just going to chop up, and I do have a measuring cup for the green onions and the bacon bits. And Jenna, I might need another green onion.
Where are they?
Fridge.
That fridge.
And this is the recipe you guys have seen in What I Make Mike for Lunch. And this was one of the well sought after and asked for recipes. I don't like the way this piece of skin is looking here. So I took that off. Yeah, just that one, because it looked really
A little funky.
a little weird.
A little funky fresh.
Yeah?
It's about to die.
Again?
Yeah, it's flashing the battery percent.
Okay, so hold on. Let's change out the battery real quick. Be right back. So I have about half of a cup of green onions.
Oh, I smell the onion very suddenly.
And then I'm going to top it off with the bacon. Going to do about half a cup of bacon. And that gives me enough for the topping. And then I'm going to put in half of the cheese mixture, which is about a cup. Oh.
You cut the seal off?
Yeah, I'm using the whole bag.
Okay.
So I'm going to get this mixed up and then poured over the chicken.
If you want, I can mix it.
You want to come mix it?
I like mix.
It's going to still be a little hard.
Oh yeah, it's still cream cheese. I just think it's fun.
And then I will chop up a little bit more of the green onion to, bless you,
Thank you. Sorry.
to top this with.
That hurt my lip.
So we're going to use the rest of the cheese and the bacon bits once we get, and a little bit of green onion, once we get this combined
It's the bacon.
and spread over the chicken. You good?
The bacon smells really bacony, but like fake bacony.
Okay.
Don't question. It's easier.
Try not to.
Oh, I got it on my finger.
Do not lick your finger. You
That
are
was my
allergic
first
to
thought
it.
to do. This it smells like baked potato soup.
I love baked potato soup. It's too hot now for that.
It's never too hot for soup. That's not true. Isn't it like ice cream though? You eat ice cream when it's cold, it makes it less cold.
Okay.
Does soup do the same thing?
I don't
feel
know.
like it should.
I love ice cream when it's cold outside though. Not so much when it's hot.
Cold.
When it's hot, I don't care for ice cream.
I think it's mixed as best as I can mix it.
Okay. And I have my chicken in the pan already, rinsed off, patted dry.
I got it.
So the onions and the bacon bits will be for after it's cooked. We're not going to eat that bag.
It's been taken care of.
And I'm trying to clean as I go, which makes it easier.
Just not a shizzy queen. No.
The girls are dying behind the camera. They are laughing so hard. Like, Jenna has her entire face covered with her hands, so she does not make a sound. So I'm going to just kind of pour it on. And again, it's cream cheese. It's going to be a little difficult to work with. And so I'm just going to do my best to kind of spread it out evenly. Make sure every piece of chicken gets some. I could have sworn I was saying something before y'all died laughing and now I forgot it.
I don't know. I just heard Nana go shh. It's really funny. I feel like that would be like just a really good snack. Just the
chicken?
mixture. No,
Oh,
without the meat.
you know what I like?
That'd be great in like
Jalapenos.
Some
Put
Not
some
ravioli.
jalapenos in there and have it on crackers.
The manicotti pasta. I feel like it'd be really
Ooh,
good in
it
like
might be.
stuffed manicotti and then like air fry it or something.
We'll
so
have
it's a
to
little crispy.
try that.
I feel like that'd be
So each piece has some. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven, but first I'm going to wash my hands. Oh wait, before I stick it in the oven, I should just add the cheese. And again, they're dying. Why are you on the floor?
I fell.
Chloe, are you okay?
My knee hurts.
This is Cookie Nightly.
This is
Anytime we're
functioning
cooking.
nightly.
You good?
Yeah. You're done with the mayo?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just going to sprinkle the remaining cheese over this. Yes, it is very cheesy. Y'all good?
I wanted to use Jenna's drink, but she doesn't know what's in
Oh.
it, so I don't know if I'm allergic.
And I'm just going
I
to
don't
put
think
this
you
in the oven. Chloe, how long am I setting the timer?
Bake 30 to 40 minutes or until chicken is cooked thoroughly.
Okay, I'm doing 40 minutes because these were really thick chicken breast. But we cook it at 350. I had the oven preheated as I prepared the dish. That's the first thing I do is preheat the oven. But this is one of our...
Do we have vinegar?
I don't know.
I won't try it.
This is one of our favorite dishes. Sometimes I leave out the green onions. Sometimes I don't. Tonight we're doing it with the green onion. But this is, I'll link the lunches, week of lunches in the description below. So you guys could check that video out. But this was the most requested recipe on how to make. So there you guys are, and I will show you when it's done. Okay guys, this is what it looks like out of the oven. It is so good. I think in the lunch videos I did it with chicken tenders, like
Yeah, the smaller ones.
the boneless, skinless chicken tenders, and tonight I did it with the breast. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, and then you saw the ingredients. It is so yummy. So let me try to get this plated. Oh my goodness.
Would the barbecue tongs be better?
I don't know where they are. Tonight, it is this. And it is delicious. But that is it. Thanks for cooking with us. And remember, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.